to show quickness at the start, moving upon the outside forevermore. Huling Tala comes next, leaving the lights in the middle. Touch of Class, then followed over by Slim Princess. Imperial Story comes next, Jupiter Thunder, then followed over by entry number 6, Imperial Story. Next online, Wipe Your Mouth, Cool and Plushy, Magnificat. Buboyski comes next, while Plush Away is racing in 13th. Half-mile distance, they travel. The lead now belongs to Huling Tala by a length, running by the Real Haven, then followed over by Leaving the Lights. Next online now is Forevermore, then comes Slim Princess, Jupiter Thunder, Imperial Story, Cool and Plushy, Touch of Class, moving upon the outside, Boboiski. Next online, Wipe Your Mouth, then followed over by entry number 11, and this one is Boboiski, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Huling Tala by about 4 lengths, moving upon the outside, Leaving the Lights, running by the Israel Haven with about 150 meters more to run. We have Huling Tala now saying goodbye to the rest of the field and nearing the finish line, the program ender. Huling Tala, second is Boboiski, then comes